If I call her still, I'm gonna call for Ebony.
Don't call for me, bitch. Shit. Fuck. Move, son. You playing too much. I swear, I'm kicking your fucking stomach. This my best friend about to do this cinnamon challenge.
What's up?
Jasmine, I love you.
Alright, go ahead.
Why everybody do that? I said everybody taste it first. The fuck. Girl, you're not tasting bad. I swallowed the motherfucking thing. Come on. Hey, back up. No. Back up. Alright, go ahead.
What the hell? How does this shit taste good?
Nobody said it tastes good.
What's the toasted though?
You wasted my camera space. Come on, man.
Alright.
Back up. Damn. Stop being so close to me.
How he supposed to see?
He can see it. Shit. Hello. Yeah, he can see it.
Alright.
Exactly. She not gonna...
So, chill.
She was constipated.
You keep playing.
Come on. Does he please go?
Alright, Jamal, I'm about to do it though.
Swallow. No, the face the other way. Please, the face the other way. If you want to swallow, keep it in your fucking mouth. I'm moving. Oh shit.
Cute.
You need some water? Please get some water. Here. Don't spit on me. You said what?
That's nasty.
I would do it, but no. That's how I do it. Ew, son, damn. What the fuck? Making a fountain and shit. Alright, y'all. She needs to see
Hey, that
it.
came out my nose.
Oh shit. She needs to see that shit. I'm sorry, y'all. Alright.